channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Dee Dee. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel. And if you are not new, welcome back. Thank you for taking the time out to watch and hang out with me. I really do appreciate it. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a small Morphe haul that I did. It's been some time now, probably the beginning of November, but I'm just getting around to filming it, unfortunately, for you guys. And they had a 75% off sale on some items, and I thought that that was a really great sale. And I've never ordered from the Morphe website that I can recall. I always get it from like Ulta or something like that. But this time, like I said, they had a really good sale going on. I think everything I got, I paid less than $40, like $37 and some change for everything in here. And so I wanted to come on and share with you guys. And it's not a whole lot, but I always like to share with you guys. And I do believe they still have the sale going on when I'm recording this video. So I will double check and make sure, and if they do, I will leave their link down below for you guys if you want to go ahead and check them out as well. Okay, so the first things that I picked up were some of the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe brushes. I recently, meaning within this year, purchased some Jaclyn Hill brushes from Ulta, and I really do love them. And they had them for so cheap on the site that I went ahead and picked some up for gifts because I thought I cannot pass them up. They're really good, and they were so affordable. I think they were like, each brush was like less than $2, $2 or less, and you know, that is a steal in my opinion. First brush that I picked up, I picked two of each of the brushes. This is the JH45, I believe. And this is the Blending Boss brush, and that is what it looks like. So it does have the brown hairs. It's kind of tapered but not too tight, and it's a really nice brush. You can see there. I don't want to open it, like I said, because these are gifts for someone. And it's nice. Those were $2 a piece. The next brush that I picked up was the JH34, which is the Carve Your Crease brush. That is what it looks like. So it's pointed and tapered. Next brush that I picked up is the JH37, is the Buffer Blender brush, and it's more tapered. And then this last one is the JH36. And that is what it looks like. Sorry about not taking them out the packaging. I don't want to touch them because they're not for me. And again, these were $2 a piece. She has some really great brushes. I've not tried like the James Charles or anybody else that has them with Morphe, but I do love these, and I think that was a steal for these brushes. And I do like some of the Morphe brushes, and I do buy them from Ulta because they're very affordable and they are really good brushes. Okay, so there's two more items that I picked up. The next item that I picked up is the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. This is the Rouge Romance Matte Blush Palette for fair, excuse me, and this is the one for fair to medium skin. And this is what the packaging looks like. Now this palette originally retails, and I'll double check, for $45. But again, it was on sale, and I got it for $23. For $23, you cannot beat it. Versus $45, yes. The packaging is really pretty. It has like a suede material. The back is really pretty as well. It has like beautiful flowers on it. I love it. I love all of her packaging. I just think she slays it with that. And I do everything that I have of hers from her own Jaclyn Hill line and some of her Morphe stuff that I do have. I absolutely do love, and I think it's great. But this is what the palette looks like. Super vibrant, super beautiful, and huge pans. yeah, I had wanted this when it initially came out, like I said, for $45, but I couldn't get myself to pay $45 for it because I'm just like, that's kind of high. And I'm just so glad I was able to get it on sale. For $23, I think I got a steal. Living Lavish, Forever, and Admire look like to be matte. It does say they're all matte, but there's a couple in here that have a little bit of a sheen to them. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch them for you real quick. So Living Lavish is the first one. It's like a pretty, this is one that I'm going to have to go in with a light hand because it's very rich in the pan. But that is what it looks like, and I'm very fair, so have to be careful. This is Forever. This is like that really fuchsia pink. And they're not very powdery, I have to say. They're not very buttery either, but they're not, you know, too bad. That is the Forever, which I said, look at my finger, how it's stained just from the swipe. There's that one. Then we have French Kiss, which is your typical like peachy toned. And remember, when you're swatching, I feel like they don't give the true pigmentation because typically when you go in with the brush, they're going to give a lot better. They're going to pick it up better because that's what it's made to do, not, you know, with your hands. Now this one, Dainty, has the sheen that I told you guys. Even though it's matte, it has a little bit of sheen in the pan. And that is that one. Look how beautiful that is. One swipe. Admirer is probably going to be my favorite. It's that mauvey pink. This is one of those ones that don't look like anything when you swatch it, but when you put it on the cheeks, it's going to give you that, most likely, that really pretty flushed look. And then the last one is Fantasy, and it's a pop of pink. So it's going to be like your real Barbie pink is what I would call it. Right there. Super pretty. I think she does a great job when it comes to her products because she definitely knows what people like and what is good for them and all of that. That's one great thing about being in the beauty community is you've tested and tried so much products that you pretty much learn what is going to be good and what's not. So really happy for her. It's a beautiful palette. Definitely super happy to have that. I got a great deal. So there is that. And then the last product I picked up is the Morphe Fair Play 8F Complexion Pro Face Palette. I remember seeing this when I worked at Ulta and I never picked it up. And I don't know why, because it's beautiful. But they did have it really discounted. And I thought, you know what, why not? Let me go ahead and finally give it a try. And of course it has Morphe's sleek black packaging that they're known for, just very sleek, travel friendly. Let me see how much I paid for this, $9. And I don't know what the original price is on that, but I will check. And I thought that was an awesome steal. It does have a full mirror, has the sheet with the names. So it's not the names, it basically just tells you what you could use them for, I'm assuming. I don't know, that's kind of weird. Okay, has names on there, but it has names on here too. But again, it has a full mirror. Let me cover it with this. And this is what it looks like. Good size pans, super pretty. Definitely could not pass this up for $9. It has a brightener, which you could use for under eye setting, even face. It has 2 bronzers and a contour, which I could use all of them. It has 2 blushes, more of a peachy toned and then a pink. And then it has 2 highlighters, which are absolutely gorgeous as well. Again, This is what the palette looks like. Just super, super pretty. Definitely beautiful. And I'm super excited to play in it. That was $9. Like I said, I got everything for about, I think it was about $37 and some change. So definitely a great deal in my opinion. It's going to complete my video for today. That is what I picked up from a recent Morphe haul. They were having 75% off, like I said. I will see if it is still going on, and if it is, I will link it down below, and I will also put in a coupon code if I can find one for you guys as well, if you want to check them out. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I'm so close to getting to 600 subscribers, which is so exciting. I think I'm 5 away when I'm filming this video, and I'm just super thankful, super excited. But also, it's not about the number of subscribers. I want to be able to help people with my channel in some kind of way, and I want them to be able to watch my videos as well. But let me know if there's a specific video or review you'd like me to do. Leave that down in the comments. I'd really appreciate it. I do have a lot of makeup that I need to play in for you guys. Like I said, I'm going to try to do what I can on my channel, but I will also post things on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, I will have that link down below for you guys as well. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.